one of the best ways that you can kind of track progression and what I call your kids' momentum is through portfolios. So you can do portfolio, which is where you take pictures of what they're doing. I think one of the best things you can do is almost like a journal. So you can do a digital journal or a blog online. I will have a workshop on this. I will have it posted in my group soon. Actually, I have an old one, but I'm going to redo it. And I'm going to show you how to use like a website like Weebly. It's a free website, something that I've actually done with students previously, where I can go in and put the assignments, things that I want my kids to do. And then they go in and they do the work and they post their work as a blog post. So it's got a date on it. It's got what work they did, links to whatever their work is, and then they upload their evidence, whether it's just a short summary of what they did, if they have pictures, if they made video, and it literally tracks their progress through a blog. And you can keep it hidden if you need to, if you don't want anybody to find it. Most people won't find your blog. If you use something like Weebly, or my friend has a website called Usability that's really good, but you do have to pay for that one. But it's nice. It's real easy to set this stuff up. You can use something like just a Google Drive and set up folders and have kids upload documents once a week, or like a journal. You can use Trello, which is another big program that I really like to use. So you can do that. I'll show you guys some more ways to do portfolios. You could just go ahead and opt them into the standardized test if you have a kid that does testing, and they can, take the test and it doesn't bother them, use the standardized test. Or you could do the teacher evaluations. However that works for you, you can do that and follow the requirements for your state. Whatever you decide to do to measure their momentum, I still think you should document it. It's an adventure. Document. Again, you can do a binder. You could do like a 3-ring binder where you print things out and put it in. You can make it like a scrapbook. It's something you guys could do together. You could do videos where you have your kid jump on every day and pretend they're doing like a news story where they are sharing the news of what they learned that day, or, through TikTok style videos, however you want to do it, and just keep them all stored in one place. And then you'll have everything you need if somebody comes along and says, hey, we want to know that your kid's really learning. So you can be like, oh, well, let me show you. And you'll have all this documented stuff. If you like to do paper and pen and you do a bunch of stuff, it's really hard to keep that stuff for a long time. So take a picture of it and upload it and put it somewhere. And you can even do a digital scrapbook if you want. Like every day, go in there and do a digital scrapbook and take a picture. Or if you have a paper scrapbook, then, pick your best work for the week and put it in and make some pages. So there's lots of ways to document and make your learning fun.